for today's video, I'm going to be doing yet again another wig review from Amazon. I am so excited to make this because you guys really liked the first one I made. I really liked the first one I made, and I've been obsessed with wigs ever since. AKA, I'm wearing one right now, which was one of your favorites. This was only $18.99, and it's lasted me how long has it been? 2 or 3 months? So I purchased myself some more wigs. So these wigs range from about $14.99 all the way up to 30 pounds. Nothing more expensive than that because, girl, this is a cheap Amazon wig review. Some of them are conservative, some of them are crazy, but we're just gonna try it and see if we like it. Hopefully you guys like them, and let's just get started. So as I just said, I got my big box with me, and I also have this little box because they didn't come all on time. And I have a knife. I'm gonna leave this one for last because this one's the craziest. This is the craziest wig. So I'm gonna leave her over here and we will see what she looks like later. I'm so nervous. Ooh, I feel like a kid on Christmas Day. Okay, so the first wig that I'm gonna be reviewing is from Alice. It's Swiss lace wig. I have no idea. Oh, it even came with a wig cap. This one is an ash blonde color. It's kind of similar to this, but it's gonna be all ash. All ash. It's just gonna be all blonde. Ooh. So this one was actually the most expensive wig. I think this one was 33 pounds or something. First impression, I'm not very excited to put it on. I feel like the ones that I'm not really excited about are usually the ones that look the nicest, aka this one I wasn't excited about. It's supposed to be 24 inches, and that's all it says. So I'm going to brush this out. I like how I picked up my knife. I'm gonna brush this out. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's not tangled. Whoa. That feels really nice. This one doesn't even need to be brushed. That's cute. Okay, let's try it on. Sorry, it's gonna look really ratchet for a second. Let's put this one on, girl. It's really loose. Hold up. Let me try to like tighten this up. I'm not too crazy about this one, I'm not gonna lie. Starting off this wig game not strong. How do I tighten this up? Oh, I guess here. Oh yeah, okay, that helped a lot. I'll be right back at— oh, what is that? What is that? What are those? I'm gonna cut this little lace front off and then I will be right back. So the wig's a little bit shiny, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of dry shampoo, which a lot of you guys said to do in my last video. Oh wow, oh wow, that looks really good now. Look at that compared to the non-done side. I watched some YouTube videos, guys, so I feel like I kind of know what I'm doing a tiny bit. Ah! What are we thinking? Ah! Please don't burn on me, hunty. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, it's not burning yet. It's starting to smell like fire. Unless it's my candle. So yeah, first wig. What do we think, guys? Do we like it? Do we not like it? I don't know if I like it. I don't like the hairline. I think this is a wig that I actually have to glue down because it doesn't look realistic. I think if you were a little more experienced with wigs than I am, you could probably make this look realistic with like concealer or plucking and actually gluing it down, but like I'm just too lazy. I probably won't do that. This color's not that bad now that I'm looking at it. It's really cute. It's kind of like an unusual color that not a lot of people have, so I'm really happy to have this in my wig collection. Oh my god. We got an issue on our hands. There's a lot of shedding coming from this one. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, wow, that's shedding a lot. Girl, I'm like pulling out chunks. Okay, so I definitely don't recommend that wig. I'm obviously gonna use it because I got it, but yeah, shedding a lot. I didn't have any issues like that with the other one. It's a little bit pricey. I mean, 30 pounds, I was expecting something a little bit better. But then again, was I just lucky on my first Amazon video? I don't know. Not a great start, but hopefully we can save it. This one was the most expensive one, so I think we're Next wig. Oh yeah, I was gonna clean this off my chi-chi first. Hold up. We didn't start off a bit strong, but don't worry, girl. I'm sure there's gonna be a good one in here. I just feel it in my bones. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna try is the Chrisma dark brown, heat resistant, 24 inches. So hopefully this one looks cute. This one was only, I think it was less than 20 pounds, so it could be a disaster. Oh, this is cute. Comes with a little card. Oh, cool, it tells you how to wash your wig. That's a nice little touch. And then they also have a wig cap included. When in doubt, wig out. That's a cute little motto. Oh, I really like that. Ooh, that's super cute. Okay, let's try her on. Let's hope. Wow. Oh my god, I feel like Kim K. I actually really like that, other than the wig line isn't very believable. I really love the color. I love the curls. Like, I wasn't really expecting the curls to actually come how they were on the picture, but it literally looks like the picture. It's super cute. I feel like if you're a darker skin girl, you could maybe make this look believable. But because I'm so damn pale, it just looks like a wig. It looks like I'm wearing a wig. I probably wouldn't ever wear this in public without a hat. Let me just try some dry shampoo. The wig cap is very hard. This is probably just for like if you're going out for Halloween or something. Okay, snatching my wig off. Now on to the next. I am so excited for this wig, girl. Oh my god. I really freaking hope it is what I'm thinking it's gonna look like. This is a color I have been wanting to try forever. Like, I mean, it is another wig from Chrisma. It is a 22-inch sexy red wig. Girl, I am so excited to try this. Like, when I saw Kylie Jenner's Ariel, I was like, I need to get a red wig because that looks so good. So it comes in a little package like this. I already know I love the color. It's like Rihanna red, you know? This is a color I've wanted to dye my hair for a long time, but I just never would because, one, I know how difficult it is to get red hair out, plus I don't know if it would look good on me because I'm so damn pale. I'm gonna look like the girl from the big comfy couch. Oh. Freaking out. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, you know what, girl? I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna cut this off and then I will see you in a... You're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Wait, where's the dry shampoo? Where'd it go? This is freaking gorgeous. I love it. I can't even talk right now. I am so blown away by this wig. This is really, really nice. It's so soft. It's so nice. I love the color. I love the length too. Like, it's totally Instagram baddie approved. Like, it comes all the way down here. Can you guys believe this? Amazon for 30 pounds. Amazon for 30 pounds. That's really cute. I mean, obviously, when you go outside, people are gonna know this is a wig. Obviously, I gotta make it look a little bit more believable. But I mean, like, for the price point, plus if you guys are like cosplaying, like, it is a really good steal. Like, that is a really, really, really nice wig. Yay! Glad I got that. Now it's time to try on the last one. This next one I'm really nervous about because I don't think it's gonna suit me, and I don't know why I got it. I saw it and I was just like, I just want to try it. I just want to try it. That's it. I just want to try. This one, oh, it looks kind of weird. This one was the cheapest of them all. And she is a blue baddie. This wig comes with a wig cap. Shows you how to put it on, which is really cute. The packaging is very cheap. Like, this looks like people kept returning this one and they've been sending it out. So maybe this is gonna be a bad situation. Hopefully it's not. Let's just try it out. See how it is. What the I don't know if I'm feeling this one at all. For one, what the hell is going on here? Where's my dry shampoo? This looks like I'm about to have a mental breakdown kind of wig. Oh my god, guys, this is so bad. Look at that. Ugh. Okay, for one, this is so bad. This is such a poorly made wig. I mean, what could I have expected for $14.99? For $14.99, I don't know why I'm complaining about it, because that's actually not a bad wig for $14.99. Like, it's super cute. I love the color. I love the length. I love the curls. It looks really cute. I just don't know how to save that. Like, that's just something that I don't think can be saved. Like, there's hair coming from underneath it. What's going on here? Let me try to fix this. Hold up. No, it just really is. That's it. That's all there is to it, folks. It just really is that. I'm probably gonna wear this in videos just so I can get some use out of it, but just make sure it's like that. Look, how cute is that now? How cute is that? Not cute, cute. Not cute, cute. Not cute, cute. Okay, so this time around, it was a little bit different. Most of them didn't really meet my expectations. I'm actually very surprised about the first wig, about all the shedding, because it was a very expensive. Like, out of all of them, I think that one was the most expensive. Then the red one right afterwards, I think, was around 30 pounds as well. The black one was $18.99, and then this one was $14.99. If anyone can link me below to where I can salvage that if I can. I'm going to now put on my favorite wig, and then we will talk about the ending together. And the winner, with a very high score ahead of the other ones. Da, 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 da. So this was the obvious favorite. So out of all the wigs I tried, unfortunately, this is the only one I would recommend to you guys. I mean, it still is a cheap wig. There's probably still some faults about it that I can't really catch because I'm not a huge wig wearer. But the other three just weren't really doing it for me. I probably am not gonna do this video again, not gonna lie, because I'm really disappointed in how little ratio of good wigs there were to bad ones. So if you guys want me to do this again, I'm sorry, but I'm probably not going to. But I'm very glad that I got some good wigs out of it. Like this one, for example. Ooh, girl, I love it so much. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas. Again, I don't know what day I'm posting this, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!